Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to configure Telnet session. Telnet allows us to configure, monitor, and manage our switch from remote locations. To use this feature, we have to configure and enable passwords for Telnet configurations. And to access a Cisco device using Telnet, we need to enable a remote login. So Cisco switches support 16 virtual lines, meaning that we can have 16 remote sessions simultaneously, of course, if we need. So the first command is this. We are going to establish Telnet session from this PC to this switch, remote switch. So we need IP address here in this PC, and also we have to assign IP address the management VLAN, which is by default VLAN 1. Let's do that. So first, I will assign IP address to this PC. Okay, quickly, which is, let's see, 1.10, right? 192.168.1.10. So subnet mask is that. We don't have default gateway. We don't have here router. So that's why we leave this default gateway field just by default. Okay, we assigned the IP address to this PC. Now let's jump to this switch to assign IP address. Okay, command line interface, enable global configuration mode, typing config terminal to change the name, host name is S2. So, and now to assign IP address to the VLAN 1 interface, we have to go on the VLAN 1 interface, typing int VLAN interface VLAN 1. And as you see, the mode is changed, submode. Here we have to assign IP address, typing IP address or IP at is enough, 192.168.1.254, which is the last usable address in this network range. So, and keep in mind that by default, VLAN interface is administratively done. To bring it up, we have to type on the interface submode, we have type no shutdown. And as you see, this state is changed and it's up now. Okay, and now virtual interface is up. Okay, we assign. What else we need? Again, to enable remote login, we have to enter password in the virtual terminal session. And also, we have to type login. How to do it? So at this, switch to the command prompt. We have to go to a virtual teletype line, which is VTY, typing line VTY. And as I said before, by default, we can have here simultaneously 16 sessions. So we have to select from 0 to 15. If you see, if you type question mark, you see that first line number is 0 and last is 15. And then if we start counting, including 0, we will have 16 simultaneously sessions. And that's why I'm selecting from 0 space 15. Okay. Once I'm on the virtual teletype mode, I have to type password. Password or pass is enough. Password. Let's type Cisco. Cisco, and immediately log in. What else we need? We need password to access to the privileged mode. Here's the command: enable secret. Enable secret, and let's select class. We assign the password. So, and that's it. That's it. We have done. Let's see. Let's try if we can make a Telnet session from this PC1. So first of all, I'll save this configuration. Typing do right or do WR. Let's test now. From this PC, we are going to command prompt, and we are typing Telnet and 192.168.1.254. And yes, indeed, we can access typing this here. We have to type Cisco enable, and here we have a class, and we are it. So we established Telnet session remotely from this PC1. This is the configuration, very simple. Just we need to make few configuration. First of all, we have to assign password to the privileged mode. We assigned, I'll remind you that we assigned the class to the privileged mode, then assign IP address, the VLAN 1 interface, which is VLAN 1 is by default, it's management VLAN. So we have to assign IP address, the management VLAN, and it's administratively down. We have to issue no shutdown command. And also, we need IP address in this PC. That's it. That's all. This is the Telnet session configuration. In next video, I'll explain you how to configure and how to access remotely using SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell. Okay. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you.